Aaron, are you sure about this?
So, I really don't want to drop in on this vert ramp, but you know, I have to. I actually have to. So we brought full pads. I don't even know why I'm putting these on because I don't even know how to fall on pads. I'll actually just drop in and hit the bottom and die. Pads regardless. Pads not going to help me much probably. Let's put them on. I almost wish I didn't take the time to put on the pads. This is one of those things where like if you think about it too much, it's too scary. But I'm lucky today because I have an expert that just drops in like that. Let me ask you, do you think the pads are going to help me or make it worse?
If they give you confidence, then they help.
He said if they give you confidence, then they help.
But you're not going to fall on a drop-in, so...
But you're not going to fall on a drop-in. Little does he know. He's telling me I should go do the 9-foot ramp first. Really? How tall is this? 13 feet tall. It's no biggie. Should we go to the 9-foot?
Yeah.
I mean, part of what we do teach is to tell others to work it up on a gradient. I was thinking we just go straight to this and see if I live to see tomorrow. But I guess let's go to the 9-footer. I love this video. Please, Mom, let me go. Let me show this kid how to rock a ramp. It's hard for that. Can you do something for me real fast? Just go like this. You ready?
Yeah.
I don't know why did we do that? Do you think these are gonna help me?
Yeah.
These make it hard for me to move.
Just do it.
Just do it?
Don't just
Yesterday you said tomorrow! Just do it!
yeah, just
Like that? Okay. So we're gonna go to like some ramps to build our way up. This is what, 6 feet? 5. 5. He's like 5. Not even a foot.
This looks a lot like more manageable.
So this is straight up 9 feet, and he's like, this is the same as the vert ramp. And I'm like, you see that concrete down there? Have you ever died? Because I have. Don't think about it, Aaron. Just do it. Wait, I need my friend. Please. Okay, hit it with me. You go, then I'll go. So he's telling me I need to tighten my trucks so they're so loose because I drop in and speed wobbles everywhere. Problem is I don't have anything to tighten them with. You got a tool?
no.
Me neither. Let's do this again. Definitely not doing that. I guess the next step is the vert ramp. I'm gonna give this one more. This actually helps me out so much to do this. You are going first, my friend.
Why?
I am terrified. You do this like it's your morning breakfast lunch.
You did it for the first time yesterday.
Hard.
You did it for the first time yesterday?
Yeah.
And now we can do like frontside 1080s. Come back and do it again, please. Yeah, that's the scariest thing ever.
No.
It's not?
No, it's easier
Go.
than the 9-foot.
It's easier than the 9-foot.
Just go for it. Don't think, just go.
Don't think, just go, he said.
Yeah!
Yeah! What? We dropped in, and now we're doing it. That was literally the scariest thing ever.
But now you've done it.
Was it scary?
Dude,
Was that cool?
that was really cool.
Yeah. I owe it all to my expert instructor. I never could have done that without you. Come on, right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.